Hey guys, this is Muneer and you're watching Taking for You. Finally, the much awaited Micromax has done a re-entry in India with the fabulous designs and price with the gaming processor. So let us see the model, the price, the specifications and the overview of these smartphones. So first, the model is Micromax IN 1B. The IN 1B comes with Helio G35 processor with 5000 mAh battery with reverse charging and 10 watts supportive fast charger and Type-C charger is available in this phone. So the processor is Helio G35 MediaTek processor, 6.52-inch super display, AI dual camera we are providing, and the AI dual camera is 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and for the selfie 8 megapixel is available. So there are two variants in this phone, 2 GB and 32 GB storage and 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage. The 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage is available at 6,999, and the 4 GB RAM 64 GB storage is available with 7,999. There is only one difference between this phone, the storage 32 and 64, and the OS, the update Android Go is available in 32 and Android 10 is available in 64 GB storage. So this is the specifications, features of Micromax IN 1B. So the Micromax IN 1B comes with 3 colors. You can choose any color from these 3 colors, and all the 3 colors are really looking very amazing and stylish finishing. So another smartphone which Micromax has launched is IN Note 1. Yes, IN Note 1 comes with 6.7-inch full HD display with 48 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel ultra and 2 megapixel for micro, and another 2 megapixel is for depth. So totally 4 rear camera is there, and for selfie they are given 60 megapixel camera with massive big battery, 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts charger and with Type-C supportive charger. We can have fingerprint scanner, Helio G85 MediaTek processor is available and with reverse charging. So there are 2 variants, 4 GB 64 GB storage and 4 GB 128 GB storage. The 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage is 10,999, and 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage is available at 12,499. Micromax IN Note 1 has 2 colors. The first one is white and another one is green color. Green color is looking very amazing and stylish look comparing to white. I personally recommend you to buy green color. It has X shape on the back of the smartphone in green color. So I personally like this phone. Both the phones are going to available in Flipkart on 24th and 26th. The first phone is going to be live on 24th, which is IN Note 1, and another IN 1B is going to available on 26th November exclusively in Micromax.com and Flipkart.com. So don't miss. This is the really budget gaming smartphone with stylish performance and especially made in India. So in these 2 phones, they have given Type-C charge port and fingerprint scanner. For the first time, they have given in Micromax IN 1B, they have given Type-C charge port and fingerprint scanner. You won't get any other smartphone with Type-C charge and fingerprint scanner with this price. First time Micromax have introduced. Good job. We need to support Indian product. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment your valuable suggestions. Until we meet next video, tata, bye bye, see you and be safe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Techie for you and click the bell icon and click notifications all so that you will get latest videos as soon as I upload in YouTube. Thank you. Bye. Stay safe.